Hi, my name is Dr. Benjamin Bieber, and I'm here to tell you something very, very exciting. There are many people in the world with hair thinning, and I've been performing this procedure for a long time now, where we're using the patient's own body to make their hair thicker. And what we're doing is I'm using platelet-rich plasma where I take the blood from the patient, and there are many, many, many growth factors. And what does it do? It wakes up the hair follicle. If the hair follicle is not working or underactive, what does it do? It wakes up and it starts working, and what does it do? It's producing thicker hair and more hair, so it gets rid of the hair thinning in the areas that are important to you. So then what we do is we add something called A-cell, and A-cell does bring more stem cells to the area, as well as platelet-rich plasma, which helps regenerate, regrow that area, the hair follicles, all the tissue in that area to make it very, very healthy. So the combination of both is fantastic, high success rate, very safe. And if you're interested in having normal hair, no more hair thinning, please give Dr. Benjamin Bieber a call, and the number is below.